Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ula Pynkupburom yaki Nongïalehkai Kiba nam jong ke Nongïalehkai Games arajar pusau palka Khelo India Youth Games arajar pusau hapok ke program ke bala pelong hapok ke soso tham auditorium Shillong. Hak program ladon lang ke Myntri ke Health and Family Welfare ke kong amberin lingdo pada Myntri ke Tenat Sports and Youth Affairs Shangkler Waljri. Habakren ke program Pynkupburom Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke Sangma ulai jing kublei yaki bala job bat ki bala wanra ke burom ya ke jela haba ya day bat ke jingdon kam jom ke jela ulai ke jingiro ya ke MSOA bat ki seng ya lekai boper bat ya ke Tenat Sports lo ke jingno senyeng ha ke Nongïalehkai Games ulai kublei ru ya ke kinhon ya lekai football bakila job ya ke Khelo India Youth Games ula ong bakane ke kinhon kra pelong ya ke jela bedap da ke jing sngo sarong.
After gymnastics, we move on to the winners of the basketball 5th Nongïalehkai Games. East Khasi Hills boys, Danish for the felicitation of sports achievers. So I would like to thank all our guests and dignitaries.
In wrestling, we have ranking woman from East Khasi Hills District. Please come forward. Obadiah Kelpon, please come forward.
After Taekwondo, we will move on to athletics. The few winners from athletics: Joyful Narlong, Ribhoy, Myntri Southwest Khasi Hills, Marcellus Ramsey, Southwest Khasi Hills, Primus Roghi from Ribhoy, Renaldi Dhar, West Jankia.
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Gentry Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action, we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that, and we will be investing in the youth, because as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state, and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.